Hi Puzzle Pals, I'm Parker Puzzles here, and today I'm going to be doing this vintage puzzle that I got from Goodwill. It's a craftsman picture puzzle by Playtime House. So what is very unique about this puzzle is that the pieces don't interlock. So they're just gonna be sitting next to each other. And each one has a picture on it. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, obviously I'm gonna start by flipping them all over. So this puzzle is only about 300 pieces. This puzzle smells vintage, let's just say that. It smells very, very vintage. Okay, now I've got all my pieces flipped over, and you can see that there's clearly a sky type of coloring, a green type of coloring, and then we have some tan colors. So I am going to, oh, I did not flip all my pieces over. Some of these greens, because the backs are green, so they look like some of the green ones do. Okay, got them flipped over. Now I'm going to start sorting. This puzzle looks kind of hard. I don't like that there's not interlocking pieces. I feel like there's a reason we now have puzzles with interlocking pieces. And I'm glad we don't have these puzzles anymore. But who knows, maybe it'll be fun. But it just doesn't have the same like click. I like the click, you know? Click is the fun part. So, well, there will definitely not be a puzzle challenge at the end of this one where you try and hold your puzzle up, because this will not stay together. I'm really hoping one of the cats doesn't mess it up. Like I get them all put together and then one of the cats comes and just knocks it over. That would be bad. That would be very bad. Oh boy, guys. Oh boy. Okay, that was my first one. Whoops. This is very delicate. This is the most delicate puzzle I've ever done. My goodness. We're cruising. We're cruising. We're getting this. So I'm about halfway done with this puzzle right now, and I decided to take a break, get up, move my body, get some blood flow back into my lower extremities, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now. So this is what we've got. We've got the sky, we've got some geese, and we've got a woman. finished the puzzle. I would definitely say that it's a very challenging puzzle, not more difficult than a monotone puzzle, but definitely more difficult than your average interlocking puzzle. There were 3 missing pieces. It wasn't too bad though, because they were all around the edges, and it was kind of hard to see what the edges were anyway, given the shape of all the pieces. Oh gosh, oh gosh, danger, danger. So I finished the puzzle and it was pretty fun. I feel pretty honored to be able to do this puzzle because it is so old, and I mean, I just found this at my local Goodwill, so it was very exciting. The picture was not very helpful. It doesn't have a lot of detail, whereas the puzzle is more detailed than the picture. So yes, it was a very fun experience, and I hope you liked puzzling along. Bye.